welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I'm going to make egg curry again. Let's see. This is the egg fry. I've put saffron and salt in the egg and then frying it. You can see it's all yellow. After this I will fry the potatoes and then I will show you the next step. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, share, comment. I hope you all will like this recipe. Friends, to make the curry now, the egg curry, this is darchini. I have put 2 pieces. This is the bay leaves. And this goes the onion. I will let the onions fry. This is the masala. This has got ginger, garlic, onions and jeera. This is the turmeric powder. This is the chili powder. This I will use for the egg curry. Friends, you can see the onions are turned brown. Now this one tomato I have cut, I will put this in. I will let the tomatoes also fry a little bit and then put in the masala. Friends, the onions are turned quite brown. You can see it's turned very brown. Now I will put in the masala. This is the masala water. Now I will let this masala turn brown. I will put some Kashmiri mirch powder. I will let this turn brown first. Friends, the masalas you can see is turned brown and it's looking nice also. Now I will put in the fried potatoes and the eggs also. And this is the salt which I am putting. Now I will add some water. Today I am going to use some mutton masala. This is Sunrise mutton masala. This I am putting. And I will put some garam masala powder. Now I will cover this up, the curry, and let it cook because the potatoes are half cooked. When I fried it, it was half fried. Now it will cook. Now I cover this up. Friends, the egg curry is ready. You can see egg curry, dimir jhal, very ordinary, tasty, very simple as usually we make at home. Thanks for watching my video.